Join me as I dive deep into the world of coins and try to uncover the real value of a Saint-Gaudens Double Eagle Coin. The Saint-Gaudens Double Eagle is one of the most iconic and sought-after coins in American numismatics. Designed by Augustus Saint-Gaudens, it was minted from 1907 to 1933 and features a stunning image of Lady Liberty on the obverse and a majestic eagle in flight on the reverse. Its rich history, beautiful design, and limited mintage have made it a favorite among collectors and investors alike. Many people think the value of a Saint-Gaudens Double Eagle is solely based on its gold content. They believe that since it's made of 20.7 ounces of 22-karat gold, that's all it's worth. But that couldn't be further from the truth. The coin's value is much more complex than just its metal content. For instance, a coin's condition, rarity, and demand play a huge role in determining its worth. Another common misconception is that all Saint-Gaudens Double Eagles are created equal. However, there are several variations of the coin, each with its own unique characteristics and values. Some have been minted with different dates, mint marks, or design variations, making them more or less valuable than others. The grading condition of a coin can greatly impact its value. A coin graded by a reputable organization, like PCGS or NGC, can command a much higher price than one that's not graded or is in poor condition. The rarity of certain Saint-Gaudens Double Eagles also contributes to their value, with some being extremely scarce and highly sought after. Market trends also play a significant role in determining the coin's value. As with any commodity, the price of a Saint-Gaudens Double Eagle can fluctuate based on supply and demand. When more people want to buy the coin, its price goes up, and when demand is low, the price tends to drop. So what drives these market trends and how do they impact the coin's value? The highest recorded sale price of a Saint-Gaudens Double Eagle coin was over $18 million. This specific coin, known as the Ultra High Relief Double Eagle, was extremely rare and highly sought after by collectors. What made it so valuable was its unique design, exceptional condition, and the fact that it was one of only a handful of coins like it in existence. The coin's stunning design, combined with its limited mintage and rarity, made it a true treasure for numismatists. Its sale set a new benchmark for the value of rare coins and highlighted the importance of condition, rarity, and demand in determining a coin's worth. The sale of this coin sent shockwaves through the numismatic community, with many collectors and investors taking notice of the coin's potential value. The story behind this coin's sale is fascinating, with many bidders vying for the chance to own such a rare piece of history. In the end, it was a testament to the enduring appeal of the Saint-Gaudens Double Eagle and the passion of collectors who seek out these rare and